Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to create Amazon shopping account. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, open the app or visit the official website of Amazon. But here I have downloaded and I'm gonna open it. And this welcome page, you have to tap on create account. Now enter a username. Enter your name here. And under the name column, you have to type your mobile number or your email. I'm gonna type my phone number. And now create your password. Tap done and then scroll it down and tap on verify mobile number. There was a problem. Here I'm not change my region yet and I'm gonna change it first. And if it is done, create again a password. After that, tap verify mobile number again. You just have to wait for the code, and here the code 349-444. 349 and 444. Sorry, 444. After that, tap on create your Amazon account. And yeah, it's done. Don't forget guys, before making an account, make sure that you are using a valid mobile number because the addition of a mobile phone number is mandatory to create a new account on Amazon. And whereas the addition of an email address is optional. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.